Hey guys, and happy Monday. Welcome to a week in my life of my last week of summer and packing for college and all that stuff is gonna be in this vlog. I actually got up pretty early this morning and started off like really productive, made breakfast, was responding to emails, and then the day kind of got away from me. And now it's 2 in the afternoon and I still haven't had lunch yet. So I'm currently making myself a ham and cheese sandwich. And I just wanted to start off the vlog, just like chat with you guys. I also have some Poshmark orders I need to ship out, but get this, my printer ran out of ink, so I couldn't print the packing slips for them. And I'm out of the packages that I put the clothes in, so I need to go to the post office once my parents get home this afternoon and can give me a car. And speaking of Poshmark, if you guys are at all interested in ordering any of my new or slightly used clothes out of my closet, please make sure to check out the link in the description down below, because I'm just trying to get rid of all the clothes that I do not want to be bringing to my parents' new house. So that's not sponsored at all. I genuinely just like use Poshmark in my day-to-day life. And yeah, if you're interested, check it out. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. So after lunch, I ended up just like sitting down with my phone and I made a giant list of everything I needed to get done before I go back to school, of everything I need to pack. Obviously, there are probably some holes in here, but I've decided to come over to my bathroom and I'm starting to slowly go through all my toiletries and try and just figure out what I already have, what I need to stock up on before I go back to school, etc. And I'm using this like holy grail list that I printed out before my freshman year of college. And this is the list that I use every year while packing for my college dorm. So I'll leave the link to it down below. I like found it on Pinterest or something, but it is so helpful. It literally goes over everything you could possibly need. But while I have been doing all of that, I actually got really exciting news. If you guys remember in the last vlog that I did while at home, I actually turned in my Apple laptop to be repaired. And I just got news that it is ready to be picked up. So I'm gonna be reunited with my laptop today, and I'm really excited about it. I don't know what the repair status is. I was trying to look through my online account to see if they would give me any more details, but it's kind of just like bare minimum on there, so I'm really interested to see what ended up happening with my laptop. But before I go pick that up and do my other errands, my dad's actually on his way home right now because he has had a rental car for the past week since someone rear-ended him, or someone hit his rear end. I think that's still called rear-ending him. So his car was in the repair shop for the week and he's just been driving around in a rental and he's fine. The car is now fine, but we just need to go pick it up and like switch out the 2 cars. So I'm gonna go do that with him, and then we're gonna go to the Apple store and also get ink cartridges for the printer because I need to send out my Poshmark stuff. I'm also hoping to get this all done before 7 o'clock because tonight is Bachelor in Paradise and it is one of my favorite shows on all of TV and I really do not want to miss it. So hopefully I'm back home by then. I am with my dad right now and we just picked up our car and we're driving to the Apple store to be reunited with my laptop, so hopefully everything is a-okay and they were able to do the repair, but if not, then it's gonna be a rough few months. So I didn't end up vlogging anymore while we were out and about because it started pouring rain and I didn't want to get my phone wet, but I got my laptop. It is good as new. They replaced the battery, everything is a-okay. They also replaced like the top case of my laptop, so my stickers are gone, but those are easily replaced. Anyways, we made it back home just in time for me to watch Bachelor in Paradise, and we're about to have a family dinner. So yeah, it's a great night. Thank you. Good morning, guys. It is now Tuesday and I have the car because I'm actually headed to Milwaukee today. Just for the afternoon. I have something that I have to be there for in regards to my on-campus job. And so I'm just driving up. I got the car for the day. And I also just stopped by Starbucks because I just knew that today was a day that I was gonna have to caffeinate myself for because it was a rough morning. It's pretty much just gonna be a day that is mostly dedicated to my on-campus job, and then I also plan on meeting up with some friends today because we're all about to leave for the school year again, so I want to see them one last time. And I've had the air conditioning off while I've been vlogging and it's gotten really hot, so I'm gonna turn off the camera and get back to driving and listening to some music. But if I think of anything to chat with you guys about, I will let you know. Well, I just got to campus and I have got to say it feels really weird because it's like empty, there's barely anyone here, and it's really hot. And normally it's really cold because I'm only ever here in like the fall and winter, so this is definitely different. But I'm heading to my meeting right now and then I'll probably catch up with you guys once I'm out. So I'm out of my meeting and I'm waiting to meet up with my friend Maddie, who's actually in my sorority with me. She studied abroad last semester, so it has been a very long time since I've last seen her. And while I'm waiting for her, I'm just kind of like at Joan of Arc, which is like the big, beautiful like garden area in the middle of campus. So yeah, just like enjoying the nice weather, eating a sandwich that I got from Starbucks earlier. Well, I met up with Maddie and also saw my friend Kristen. And I completely forgot to vlog with both of them. I'm so sorry. I was just like so in the moment that I forgot that I was supposed to pull out my camera. Anyway, I'm now slowly driving back through Milwaukee on my way back to the highway. I have like an hour and a half drive back home. So the last time I actually talked to you, it was Tuesday and it is now Thursday afternoon. I ended up watching Bachelor in Paradise Tuesday night with some friends and again, didn't vlog with them. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see them before I leave on Sunday, so yeah, really just took that time to be in the moment, didn't vlog. But anyway, yesterday I didn't vlog at all. It was kind of just like an overall unproductive day for me. I wasn't in a good mood, and I think it really hit me that like I'm gonna be leaving my house, I'm gonna be going back to college, my parents are gonna be moving, and so yeah, it was just kind of like a sad day and I didn't want to vlog any of it and I wasn't productive at all. But then last night my mom and I actually went to Costco and we got just some like basic food essentials, like pantry items. And then we also went to Target and did a little bit of shopping there. I did want to show you guys the progress I've been making in my bathroom. I have like all of my makeup laid out here and it'll be going in the same makeup organizer I've used for the past 2 years. I just need to clean this because it's really dirty. So all that's there. And then I've also taken out a bunch of the other like bathroom necessities and toiletries that I'll be needing. Last year I didn't actually have to use my shower caddy because Haley and I had a private bathroom in our dorm, but this year I will be needing to use it again because I'll have to share a bathroom with all the other girls on the floor I'm living in my sorority house. So I've just been like filling this up with shampoo, conditioner, all that jazz, and then I'm gonna take all of this and try to fit it all into one of these bins so then I can use the other two for like cleaning supplies and other stuff. But then in our guest bedroom, I've actually been laying out some bins that I already had packed at the beginning of the summer. I pretty much just like took everything that I brought back from my dorm room and shoved it into 3 bins so that it would already like mostly be packed. So I have this bin full of decor, this bin full of like random bedding, what else is in there? Towels, storage containers, extension cords, and then this one had just like really random assortment of like laundry and kitchen items. So it is now Friday afternoon, and this morning I actually met up with my friend Megan and we went on a little bit of a walk together and also went to Starbucks, so I'm still enjoying my Passion Tango iced tea lemonade. If you guys are not coffee people, I highly recommend this drink. If you get it without sugar, it's actually kind of sour, but I'm a big fan. As far as packing is coming along, I've started piling a bunch of stuff into this room and it honestly kind of just looks like a disaster. But last time I was showing you guys everything for my bathroom, I actually got everything from my bathroom to fit into these 2 bins, which I'm really happy about. But right now I actually have my bedroom set up to film a video all about like packing my clothes for school. So that is going to end up being like a whole separate thing that I do aside from this video, but I can show you guys like the setup and everything. So I have my tripod set up already and I'm just going to be filming the process of packing up all of my clothes into a suitcase and other bags, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Obviously you guys will see some parts since this is like my packing for college vlog, but I wanted to make a whole video dedicated to how I pack my clothes, what kind of clothes I'm bringing, and all that jazz, so hopefully it'll be helpful for someone. And that video will either go up right before this one or immediately afterwards, so if it's not up yet, I'm sure it'll be coming soon. But anyway, it is prime time for lighting in my room right now, so I'm gonna get to work and I'll keep you guys updated about the whole process. Alright, so I'm halfway through filming the like clothes I'm packing for college video, but the progress so far is that I have all my tops packed and then I'm working on like long pants right now, jeans, and I haven't even tackled my closet yet, so that is a whole other monster. But I'm just going to be taking a dinner break right now and then going to be continuing the video afterwards, so it sucks because the lighting is now going to be worse for the second half, but hopefully people do not mind. Oh my god, I completely forgot to tell you, look at what happened today.
No.
So my dad just came home from work and I tried to prank him because I had taken off my glass screen protector on my phone today, and while taking it off the screen protector cracked, but my phone is completely fine. So I kind of stuck the broken protector back on to try and trick him, but he just did not fall for it. Anyways, we just finished dinner and I am going to continue filming this clothes packing video. And once all of my clothes are packed for college, I'm actually then gonna bring cardboard boxes in here and pack the rest of my clothes to bring to our new house. So it is now like past 9 p.m. and I just finished filming my closet packing video. I have all the clothes that I'm bringing right here and my bed is a mess. I've got 2 bags of stuff going as well as this bin. This is definitely way more clothes than I brought my freshman year, but my freshman year I also kind of just like underestimated how much clothes to bring and then ended up having my parents bring a ton of stuff up over the following weeks once I had started school. So I'm just trying to avoid that by bringing a little bit more options for myself. And this way it'll also make moving to the new house a little bit easier because now there are a little less clothes to bring over there. So even though I'm in the same place I was when I last talked to you guys, I've actually been pretty productive. I'm FaceTiming my friend Megan right now, but I actually ended up packing the rest of my clothes in my drawers. So now these are all like practically empty except for things I'm going to be needing in the next couple days, but for the majority, they're all pretty empty. So I filled up this box and I'm just going to tape it shut and bring it with me to the new house tomorrow. And then I also cleaned up this room because if you guys remember earlier, it was a bit of a mess. So I've now managed to fit every single kitchen item I have so far into this one bin. So everything that was left over in all of my bathroom drawers, I actually took out and put into this plastic bin. So I'm also gonna bring this to the new house tomorrow. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed so that I can wake up early tomorrow morning in time to go to the new house with my parents. But I'm pretty proud of myself because I definitely had a pretty productive afternoon, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, it is now Saturday and the next afternoon. This morning we actually drove over to our new house so that I could pick up some stuff that had been taken over there because I need it for my dorm. But I didn't really vlog over there because we had painters and it was raining and really dark, and the house just does not look cute yet. So when I'm home for fall break, you guys will have like a whole reveal on the YouTube channel. Anyways, my mom and I are now in the car and we're headed over to HomeGoods and Target. We kind of already did a similar shopping trip like this earlier this week, but I realized that I'm still in need of like salt, pepper, and like kitchen spices. So we're just gonna go see what those two stores have. Our HomeGoods is connected to a TJ Maxx, so we also did some clothes shopping, but we only got a few kitchen items. So I've got salt and pepper as well as like a maple syrup, and what is this called? It's like a steamer basket, but it's great for steaming vegetables. We are now in the food section and we're just getting some more seasonings like Mrs. Dash, some garlic salt, plain white rice, really just a lot of pantry items because last time we came here we definitely missed some stuff. Alright guys, well it is now the next morning and this is probably the most panicked that I will ever be when I'm ending a vlog. Last night I ended up just hanging out with friends, we got smoothies, I got to say goodbye to them, and then this morning it has just been like full on hustle and I look like a mess, but I just wanted to show you the last of everything. I didn't get a chance to put a bunch of stuff into bins, so thankfully my mom is an angel and she's gonna do that for me, but this is everything that I'm bringing to college all in this room, and I am in a huge rush because I am taking a train to Milwaukee today. Today is Sunday, and then on Tuesday is when I can actually move into my sorority house. So up until then I'm gonna be crashing at a friend's apartment, and then on Tuesday after work my parents, who are amazing, are going to drive up to Milwaukee with all of my stuff, so that is why I'm leaving all of it behind. But I'm leaving now because I have a train to catch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that it was absolutely insane, but that is what happens when you are simultaneously leaving your house and like moving and also packing for college at the same time. I'll see you guys when I'm moving into college. Yeah, okay.